There are places in this world that still lie untouched, hidden, iconic, sacred, and timeless. These ancient places that still hold secrets, untold legends, and ancient wonder. From the ones who first called this place home, to the miners who came after sparkling ore. These are the people who sparked life into a beautiful and seemingly inhospitable landscape. These stories are left behind on stone, within ancient ruins, and passed down in tall tales and movies alike. Deep within canyon walls comes inspiration for modern artists, scientists, and adventurers, all striving to capture its unique essence and mystical treasures. Known around the world as simply the Old West, it's been made famous in films with its Indians, cowboys, treasure, and struggle for survival. This special place holds much more within its beautiful and unforgiving landscapes. The secrets still waiting to be seen will change everything you think you know about the West. Join our team of explorers and scientists as we explore these ancient landscapes and take you where few people have ventured. Come with us as we discover Secrets of the West. This film is presented in 4K ultra-high definition.